Hello, my name is Sergey Varankevich. I'm a co-founder of Data Privacy Office, which is a data protection consultancy company where I work as a senior consultant and simultaneously deliver trainings for privacy professionals. Recently, I have developed a course for data privacy professionals, how to use AI tools in their daily routine tasks. And one of the routine tasks that we constantly deal with is preparation of the LIAs, or legitimate interest assessments. And I'm very proud to show the LIA generator that I created during one of the training sessions with my students. We have built this cool tool right in Notion using a bunch of prompts that work together like a chain reaction, each one grabbing output from the previous prompt to piece together different parts of the assessment into a single document. It's a real time saver when we need to put those assessments together. Now I will show you how it works and how you can make use of it. It's not just a tool, but a workflow. In this workflow, first the questionnaire is filled out with initial information about the data processing. This data populates the Notion database with LIAs. We open the latest submission and make AI model to generate LIAs step by step using the submitted data from the questionnaire and reasonable assumptions to fill out the gaps. After reviewing the fragments of LIA, we are getting LIA as a Notion page, which could be converted into the Google Doc and reviewed after. So let me fill out the questionnaire with the information about a sample business process. I click on the web form. So let's imagine we have a support team coming to us with the request to approve the process of using AI to answer user queries. We'll send them this web form and ask the information about the data processing. We start with the name of the business process owner. I'll put my name, my email address, then the name of the process. Let's say AI support. Let's add the process description. And this is something that would be done by the business process owners or by your teammates, or in some cases, if you are understaffed, by yourself after collecting the information about this processing. So let's add categories of data. Let's answer the question about the purpose of the processing. Then let's add the categories of data, the expectations, and let's say we don't know answer to the rest of the questions. And now we can see a new record in our LIA database. I need to open this entry. On the top of the page, you could see the submitted answers. And then I press new LIA. And here starts the process of generating the LIA piece by piece by pressing this generate button. So first we answer the questions with regard to the purpose test. If we don't like the answer, we can amend it or regenerate. Then I press the generate button for the necessity test. And it goes on and on. After generating each relevant fragment, it's absolutely vital to review the text and make sure that the assumptions AI made are correct, since those assumptions would affect the generations of the next sections. You could do editing inside of those generated fragments by adding new details that were not included into the web form or correcting some information. Now, after all parts are done, the LIA is ready. I can keep it as is in the Notion page, or I could convert it into a format commonly used by DPO community. I built an automation that adds those fields into the LIA template developed by ICO, British Supervisory Authority. This LIA template is commonly used by privacy professionals around different jurisdictions. After I press Generate PDF button, I will get a Google Doc that is ready to be printed out or amended. It will take a couple of minutes to generate and upload both Google Doc and PDF into my Google Drive. Now I can click it, open, and see the template populated with the information from my legitimate interest assessment. And I could continue reviewing and editing the complete document here. So this is the workflow of drafting legitimate interest assessments with the help of Notion AI. If you would like to get the LIAs generated with this tool, you may fill out the questionnaire, it's public, and I'll send you back the resulting document dated here. It's going to be free, but I would appreciate your feedback to the LIAs you get so I could improve the prompts. Just leave your comment here before exporting or making a copy of this document. This Notion template itself is also available as a part of the template pack for AI4DPO course students. So if you signed up, you'll get this and other templates where we automate routine tasks of data protection officers with the help of AI.